What's up, AC animals? So today's video, we're gonna be going to sewers, but we can only use revolvers. Well, we got a backpack, but it's revolver ammo, and we could get a flashlight as well. So that's the only other items we're gonna be able to use. So get a flashlight if you can. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Ugh, that sounds horrible.
Alright.
Holy smokes.
There's a flash. Oh, I can see. I got flashed. I know where to go. Here, let's kill them. Oh! Here, let's kill the monsters.
Oh my gosh, that thing's...
Oh. No, we're not gonna use any of the weapons. Let's get it out of here.
Where'd you go?
It's right over here.
Oh no, you're dead.
Oh no. Oh. Here, I'll revive you.
Revive me, please!
Oh. Well, I think the revolver.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I'm going good.
Alright. Holy smokes.
Alright.
Bow and arrows. Get that out of here. Only revolvers in this.
And get this cocoa out of here. Oh well, it doesn't want to do anything.
And get this banana out of here.
The only thing the Coca-Cola does is sell.
No, don't tell me I have to like touch one of these, bro.
Let's drop down.
I've been winning this for a long time.
Alright. This is the parkour map, so let's try
Haven't
not
been
to
here in a long
fall in the
time.
void.
We're going over here, or?
Over there. Let's get to the. Oh no, over here. Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that was a
Another one. Let's make it. Go up here.
All right, we're going over here.
Yep.
Kill that. Kill it.
Ooh.
No, no, no!
Where are you? Let's hop on yourself here. Oh no, more closer. Oh no. Die, 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 die! We're so close to the end. Wait about it. I'm the only person here. Rope. Well, we were so close. No. So that's gonna be the end of the video, and I failed it. But let's hope the next video, if I'm doing another map. Oh, you're back. What happened, bro? Hello. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.
Oh my gosh, that was